Nowadays there are a lot of programs that are being conducted, and sending certificates has become a part of it. So many of the certificates are done manually with the name of the participant and details to be entered individually, and then you have to send it one by one to each of the participants. There are certain programs you can generate using which it is possible to do all this process by automation. One such method I am going to explain. So this method is based on Google Appscript. So here we are using three components. One is a Google form, which is used to collect the information from the participants. So that is, here we have created a small Google form in which we will collect the name, maybe the institution in which the participant is related to, then maybe some details like he is a student, he is a faculty, he is a research scholar, or some other information that is required, then email ID, so that we are able to send the certificate, e-certificate, to the individual participant. Or we can add any other information that is required into this particular form, so that all the necessary information that is to be printed in the certificate is readily available. So this is the first part. The second part is a certificate template. So all the individual certificates will be created in this particular fashion. You can design your own template that has to be in the Google Slides. And some important thing to remember is, whatever the personalization we want, maybe the username, participant name, the participant college, or any other details, that has to be highlighted in a particular fashion. In this case I have used as the flower bracket, cert dash name, then flower bracket. So in this particular fashion we have to put the details, so that while we are producing the multiple certificates, these values will be replaced by the individual participant information. So here you are having certificate name, or then college, then the number. So individual certificate number can be generated here. Then there is an option here in whatever program I have created to have three additional information that I have given as detail 4, detail 5 and detail 6. So these 6 numbers can be replaced. So there is a provision to have as many numbers as possible. There is no limitation to how much you can replace. The next information that is required is a spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet all the information is there. You can write a Appscript code using which you can generate all these things in an automatic fashion. Then it is not necessary to run the Appscript individually. We can link it to certain buttons. So by pressing a button, it is possible to generate the certificate. It is possible to send the certificate. That is by manual method. Other one is to automatically generate and send the certificates. Then if you want to stop that automatic sending and generation, so you are having one more button, that is stop auto generate and send. The last one is a clear all. So you again want to use this template to generate another set of certificates. Whatever information is there, you can just simply press the clear all, so everything will be reset. So we'll just see a small demonstration of how we can do that. So I will go to participant details, I will go to preview, and I will try to enter certain information here. So let me enter here. So my current institution is SMBITM. I am a faculty. My email ID I will say it as. So I will say submit. So that is how the information will be submitted. You are having the response, educate, learn, and you are having certain information. So we have to link it to this particular sheet, whatever we have created. So we will say select response destination, then select the existing spreadsheet, select, then this is the spreadsheet name cert data, there I have to select it, then done. So if any other information is also added over here, let me say my name is So my current institution is, so let me say I am a faculty, and I will use the same email ID so that I can show you how the certificates are sent. Okay, so this is the template you have to create in the Google Slides. These names, these three numbers are very important. Cert name is for the participant name, then certificate college. So whatever college you want in a certificate, that is what is this particular certificate college. Then certificate number is the individual number that will be replaced. You can have any amount of text. So here it is detail 4 is for whether he is a student or a faculty. So like that as explained earlier. So now this is a template. Then we are having a certificate. Now we have got here form responses 2 because we have linked the participant details to this particular form, that is cert data. Now how to fill up this? So here I want the sheet name. So that is the information is there in form responses 2. So let me type that. Form responses 2. Then I want name, college, email ID and the details. So these 4 informations are required. So then name. So I will go to certificate form responses and I will see name. Name is in column number B. So I will go here, press column number B. Then the college information is present in column C. So I will press here column C. Then my email ID. My email ID is in column E. So let me put that. Then some additional information is there. That is there in column D. So that is there in column D. Yeah. Now if you are having additional information, I can put here detail 5 and detail 6. I have written this program up to detail 6. So if it is there, we can do that. So that is the basic information you have to feed. The next one is the certificate template ID. So you click that, you can see here docs.google.com/presentation/t. After that, whatever numbers is there, that is what you are supposed to copy here. So you press from here up to this particular letter, you copy it and you paste it here. So that is done. So if you are having any additional responses, whatever is generated, automatically it will be filled up over here. So let me show that. So I will say here educate learner 2. So let me put that educate learner 2. Let me put SMBITM 2. Then let me say I am a student. I will use the same Gmail address so that I can. So whenever the information is filled up by using the form, the timestamp will be there. So this is only for the just explanation of how the information will be passed on. So as and when the form information is people are filling the form, some information is collected, you can automatically this list will be updated. So this is some small function I have written, some small formula I have written to automatically generate the particular certificate number. So here it will do 20, 20, 21. Then it will count the number of people that have responded and the number will be given serial number 1, 2, 3. So in that case it can go up to 999. Then after that it will become, the digits will not be properly serialized. So depending on the requirement, you can change the formula or you can use some random numbers. That is also possible. Now the information is ready. We want to generate the certificate. So I will click generate certificate. Whatever program is written, that will be executed. Now it is done. Certificate generate. Yes, yes, yes. So all the 3 certificates are generated. Now if you want to send the certificates, you can just click send certificates. You can see the certificate templates are readily available here. You can just click on that. You can see the first one. It is educator, faculty of SMBITM, has participated in the FDP. So this faculty. So because educate 1 is educate learner is the first one. You can see educate learn, it is a faculty. So now if I go to the third certificate here, educate learner 2, that will be the student. So you can go here, educate learner 2. So this one, the third one is the educate learner 2 here. So let me open this one. You can see educate learner 2, that is the student. So this is automatically generated over here. Certificates are correct. We are satisfied with that. Now we want to send it to the individual email IDs. So here I have given all the 3 email IDs to the same email ID, so everything you will get over here. So let's choose send certificates. So again the program is running. So when the certificates are sent, it will come here, send. So this is important because if you are not making this one, what happens is every time you generate, it will generate, every time it will generate. If you send certificates, and to all the people again and again it will be sending. That is the reason why these two things are added. So if I go to my email ID, that is educate learn. If you see here, educate learn, this is my email ID. So you can see here the different certificates are generated. Now you can see dear educate learner 2, so that is the email ID. It has been sent here. So you can see educate learner 2 SMVATM2 has participated in FDP from date and date. So this is the automation. So you need not sit and type individual names, copy and paste. So in this way you can very quickly do the work in a very efficient manner. So you will have some personalization also, you will have some specific things, you have all the certificate copies readily available with you for any future user reference. This is the basic thing I wanted to convey. So all the 3 certificates are sent, it is readily available. So since I have put the same email ID, everything has come to me. Depending on the email ID what is given, it will go to the correct users. Yeah, that is about it. In the next video, I will try to explain what is the code that is used here and how does that particular code is going to function, so that you can do your own customization. So this is by using the Appscript. By using Python or some other program also it is possible to do. It is also possible to do the proper user interface, or you can develop your own individual programs by using the Appscript. And also how to set up this Excel spreadsheet I will be covering. Google spreadsheet maybe I will cover in the coming video lectures. Thank you.